If you've been trying to get voice chat on Roblox, you know the frustration. They require phone verification, and that can feel like a locked door. Roblox asks you to add a phone number, upload ID, and confirm you're over 13. Many kids don't have phones, and parents don't want to share personal numbers. Free VoIP apps like Google Voice get rejected by Roblox. And you can't reuse the same personal number across multiple accounts safely. This is where MobileSMS.io comes in. Real SIM-based burner numbers that Roblox accepts. They provide carrier-issued numbers, not risky VoIP lines. MobileSMS.io uses real SIM card numbers, the kind Roblox accepts. That means successful verification, not instant rejection. You can pick one-time numbers or longer 30-day rentals. I recommend the 30-day single-service rental for Roblox, more reliable for re-verification. MobileSMS.io has been trusted since 2018 and works across 200-plus platforms. It has a strong reputation for real non-VoIP numbers and a refund policy if a number fails. Ready? Here's a step-by-step walkthrough to enable Roblox voice chat. Step 1. Visit MobileSMS.io and create an account with email and password. Step 2. Add credits. Minimum $5 works. Use a card, PayPal, or crypto for extra privacy. Step 3. Choose the Roblox service from the list, then select a number, instant assignment from their pool. Step 4. Go to Roblox, account info, add phone. Enter the MobileSMS.io number you were assigned. Roblox will send a verification code by SMS. Step 5. The code appears instantly on your MobileSMS.io dashboard or Slack Discord for premium users. Enter the code into Roblox. Once accepted, voice chat is unlocked. No personal phone needed. This is ideal for managing multiple accounts or kids without their own phone. You keep your personal number private and avoid spam or account linking. Compare that to free VoIP apps, often rejected and risky. MobileSMS.io uses carrier numbers, has refund policies, and is accepted reliably. Is it legal? Yes, for legitimate verification purposes. Will Roblox ban me? No, as long as the number is valid and non-VoIP. Roblox may re-verify accounts. A 30-day rental keeps your number steady. Rentals support Slack, Discord delivery, and auto-renewal for families or teams. MobileSMS.io has been operating since 2018 with proven results. Their numbers work across hundreds of platforms, not just Roblox. Start today with a 30-day single-service rental and protect your privacy. Join thousands of Roblox players who've unlocked voice chat safely. Enjoy secure private voice chat with peace of mind. Sign up, add credits, choose Roblox, get a 30-day number, verify, done. Protect your personal number and keep gaming uninterrupted. Visit MobileSMS.io and unlock Roblox voice chat today.